Okay, so for the triads, same thing. We have m minus 3. We can't do anything inside that first expression, so we're just going to drop the parentheses. We change this subtraction to addition. And then everything on the inside of our second expression, the sign has to flip. So this was negative m, and now it's going to be a positive m. And then this was a positive 12, so now it's going to be a negative 12. So I'm just going to do minus 12. So now we combine like terms. So we have m plus m. And so m plus m is like having 1m plus 1m, which is 2m. And then we have minus 3 and minus 12. So negative 3 minus 12. Remember when we have subtraction, we do keep, change, change. So those are same sign. So we are actually going to add those. So that's 12 plus 3 and keep the sign. So that's going to be 15 and it'll be negative. So my answer is going to be 2m minus 15. And that's exactly how we keep it. We cannot combine anything else because we have an m attached to this coefficient, and over here we have a constant. And so since we have a variable, we can't combine a variable with a constant. It's like trying to combine Skittles and M&Ms. Those are definitely not the same. For number 2, we have nothing that we can do in the first expression because we have, again, a variable with a constant. And so we drop the parentheses, and we are going to then change the sign from a subtraction to addition. And then we change the sign of everything inside. So this was a positive 6.3 C, and so now it's negative. And then this was a positive 20, negative 20. And now we combine like terms. So we have negative 2C and negative 6 3/10 C. And so we have negative 2C minus 6.3C. And remember, it's subtraction, so we do keep on the first one, change to addition, and then we add a negative in front. And so we have same sign, we add them. So 6 plus 2 is 8.3. We keep the negative, and we keep the variable. For the second part, we have to deal with the constants. So we have positive 5 minus 20. And so 5 minus 20, keep the first, change, change. So now we have different signs. We subtract 20 minus 5 is 15. And then we take the sign of our larger number, which is 20. And so it's negative. So now the answer for this one is negative 8 3/10 C minus 15.